Kajo ya magavana kugerera muikariri giti Anne Waiguru yugite wagi wa kigina kuma kuri thirikari nene uthiete ukigucagia na thutha mitaratara ya thirikari cia matura kuona mathire matene mari o ciande-ini cia magavana.
Currently, 47 county governments are owed 29.6 billion for October and 31.45 billion for November allocations. We therefore call upon the National Treasury to expedite the disbursement of monies owed to ensure that services in the counties are not disrupted.
Kajo ino yugite kuona kandarathi ya arigitani rungu rwa mutaratara wa UHC ikathira mweri wa gatano mwaka twerekeire irekuwa ni gugakorwo na mwanya rubonge-ini rwa ũgima mwega wa mwiri ikenda thirikari kuthamia mubango uyu kuma thirikari nene nginya thirikari cia matura niguo atungati aya mathie na mbere na wira rungu rwa kauntĩ.
Council will engage the Cabinet Secretary of Health with a view to reviewing performance, terms and conditions of engagement of the current cohort of Cuban doctors. Further, we urge the Ministry of Health to fast-track engagement of doctors for 6 counties that did not receive the support.
Gukiri ogwo iboya riao ni thirikari cia matura ciongerero kigina na gicunjio kia 15 barigana kuri riendekithia ria kigina kia mwaka wa 2022 mwaka wa 2024 niguo gutigirira muingi ni wamukira utungata ta uria kubatie. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, Jetago Masi, Wadia wa Murima.